that you are around.
Oh boy, may kumalabog.
Far around. Far around.
Sa taas yun, sa taas yun. Kumalabog. Yan na, investigation na mga lods sa wakas. Pinasok na ni ate. Yan, pinasok na ni ate mga lods. Yan, maswerte raw sila, pinayagan sila mag-investigate dyan. Saka naman nag-lag kung kailan mag-e-explore na. Lag ba? Ah, hindi naman. Sige, pinasok na ni ate mga lods. Tingnan nyo maigi mga lods ha, baka may makikita kayo.
Besides a few dogs barking like down the hill, it's pretty quiet in here. Very, very dark. I think that we should maybe reach out.
Natakot siya.
I might just introduce myself first. Hello, if there are any spirits around in this building, we don't mean you any harm. My name is Amy, this is Jared. You guys probably already know Anton.
Papakilala siya.
We're going to be here for the next few hours. So if you guys want to, if you would like to communicate or let us know that you are here, please feel free to do so. Okay guys, we've just ventured into a different area other than the lobby. I'm going to pretend to spirit box in here. This is
Mag-i-spirit box sila mga lods.
water fountain, and as I mentioned earlier, this was a place where people were tortured, drowned.
Nasa fountain siya mga lods ha.
There's also been a lot of sightings of nuns, even captured in photographs, just through these
Heads up
windows.
lang sa mga bagong dating. Ano yan?
So I feel like this could be an
Diplomat
interesting
Hotel,
place
in-explore ng isang
that we might
international
do a spirit box, but I'm gonna try.
vlogger.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm also
May
going to
sumipol.
try
May sumipol mga
reach
lods.
out in English and see how we go. Alright guys, this is a spirit box session in the courtyard, one of the courtyards of the old Diplomat Hotel in the Philippines. I don't know why it's so...
Yan ha. Pagkabukas na pagkabukas mga
Hi,
lods.
my name is Amy. Are there any spirits around that want to talk? Can you
Spirit
come
box
close
siya.
and use this device in my hands to communicate?
Kakabukas pa lang may nagsalita na. Spirit box siya mga lods. Ayun o.
Would you be able to tell me your name?
Tagalog sana. Diplomat yan eh. Hindi nga pala nagtatagalog to. May nagsasalita eh. Sa
Can
spirit
you
box
say
eh.
hello?
Kaso hindi niya mahabaan. Yung iba gumagamit sila ng may Oh, may umiyak na bata. Oh
Why were you
boy.
here?
Iyak ng bata yun. Kumakaluskos. Ay, ang tagal oh, kaluskos. Ang haba.
Is there somebody back there?
Narinig niya eh. Yan, naghahanap na siya. May narinig siya eh.
I invite you to come closer to us if you're there.
Yan o, hinahanap niya na. Kaluskos eh.
Did you just hear some noise behind us?
Ayun na, narinig niya eh.
I'd say it was coming from within the building. I can hear dogs barking around our bed down the hall.
Zoom natin yung mic.
Did you make a noise? Can you make that again?
Oh shit, ano nangyari sa mic? Para di tayo mga awit. Wala eh.
Let's go and see if there's anything there, I think. That one.
Nung una talaga, dami. Sunod-sunod. Parang winelcome siya. Tumigil bigla eh. Winelcome lang siguro siya nun.
Like a scratching noise. I don't know if there's like animals in here or something. Why we're here though, I just want to show you these. We have a cardboard cutout of a nun and a priest.
Uy boy, may ano, pari tsaka nun.
Don't be alarmed, but there
Creepy niyan. Picture booth ba yan? Picture booth? Di ako magpapapicture dyan.
where I'm standing with these standees here. So, I mean, that's giving me chills.
Di ako magpapapicture sa mga lods. Baka may makunan eh.
But maybe we go back in and just try again. Okay guys, so that was odd that we heard that noise rustling in here. What was also odd
Tumaayos yung mic
is
pa.
how my spirit box acted.
Sobrang
I'm not using
layo.
Any different settings, everything has full battery charged. And I couldn't hear any of the normal
Sobrang
noise
lapit.
that makes like static. It was making the noise but really faint and quiet. So I
Gara
don't know, my
nitong
speaker was
mic ko
broken
eh.
or something
Wala bang
wrong.
sakto lang?
Though the weird thing was I did hear snippets of voice come through that were at like a reasonable volume that they normally would be. Anton's just gone in his car to get us an EMF meter that he has. So we're going to have a play with that. But I mean, that just was really odd. We can try again, but I don't know why it sounds like that. Alright, so we've just walked back into the same courtyard. And now we have an EMF meter on this on Anton's
EMF
iPad.
mga lods ha.
And I think I'm not going to use the spirit
EMF
box
yan.
just yet because it sounds funny. So either it's just acting funny or it's broken. And I might just call out and see if we can get, if there are spirits around, maybe they'll
Nasira ata yung isang ano niya,
Is
device
there
niya.
anybody in this courtyard with us? If you were trying to communicate before, or you were the one that was causing the noises behind us inside this building?
Yan, tinatanong
Can
niya
you
kung
please
ikaw
come
ba yung
close to me?
nag-ingay kanina. Tinatanong niya kung yun ba yung nag-ingay kanina.
Can you give us a sign that you're here? We
Hinihingan niya ng sign.
closer that you come to me or this light in front of me. We can maybe pick up that you're around,
Oh boy, may kumalabog.
far around, far around.
Sa
far
taas
around.
yun, sa taas yun. Kumalabog.
We definitely heard that.
Boom, namutla siya oh. Okay tayo, namutla siya. Oh, yun na naman. Kumalabog na naman. Ah. F. F naman yun. Kumalabog uli.
Maybe it could be something falling from the tree.
F yun, mga lods.
Okay, there's definitely noises around us. If you are here, We don't mean you any harm.
Dami niya na naririnig oh. Recorded yun, mga
You know,
lods.
there's a lot of terrible things that have happened.
Yan, hindi raw siya na parito para
We're not
ano,
here
para manakit.
to cause you any
Sabi
more
niya.
harm.
We cause you no harm daw. Gusto niya lang daw makipag-usap. Ano yun? May mahinang katok. Mahina lang. Yung kalabog kanina malakas.
Behind you, or you can hear the sound for a bit, Jared. And I'll continue on.
Mahina lang yung katok, mahina. Pero yung kalabog, ang lakas. Yung may parang binalibag.
Are there any nuns?
Tingin-tingin din kayo mga lods kung may makita kayo.
We know that you've shown yourself to people before.
Yan, alam niya daw na nagpakita na siya sa ibang mga tao noon. Yan, parang gusto niya ring makita yun. Sabi niya. Boy, rinig nyo? Hindi niya naririnig. Hindi niya naririnig.
That would be really great.
Hindi niya naririnig. Oh, basta ako narinig ko. Parang may ano yun, parang may umiiyak. Hindi niya narinig eh.
That really sounded distant.
Narinig niya. Hindi niya lang playback.
Okay, we are going to leave this area now.
Ang daming nagpaparinig.
But if there is someone
Ang daming
here
rumiregister na tunog. Kahit hindi niya i-playback.
If you want to communicate, feel free to follow us. We will be in the hotel, the Old Diplomat Hotel.
Narinig
for a
niya sa
while now.
actual nung nag-edit na siya. Ayun. Katok yun, di ba? Makatok, di ba? Marami siyang naririnig sa actual, pero nung inedit niya na
Make
hindi
a
niya
louder
narinig.
noise. Is that you upstairs?
Ayun oh, meron na naman oh. Oh,
Okay, I think that we need to make our way upstairs towards where these noises are happening.
ang dami siyang naririnig sa
I'm not
actual
familiar
eh.
with paranormal. Maybe there's some animal or something up there. But investigate and try to.
Ayaw niya ring, hindi rin siya makasiguro na
Because I've also heard
multo yun. Kaya hindi niya playback. Pero narinig niya.
Alright guys, so we're just inside the old
Akala ko tayo lang nakakarinig eh.
Continue our investigation. It's also the place where a lot of people were drowned, tortured, executed, including children and babies. Tony, are you here?
Si Sir Spooks pala yan.
I think I just seen something down here.
Yan pala si Sir Spooks.
I don't know.
Si Anton. Anton kasi binanggit eh, hindi sinabi Sir Spooks pala.
Why have you chosen to remain here? And that phantom priest has been seen walking
Evil
around
daw,
this
boy.
area too, which is interesting.
Sabi sa device.
If you guys do want to see the rest of our investigation at the Old Diplomat Hotel, make sure that you're subscribed. I'm going to have a part 2 video coming out very soon where we do a full night investigation in the rest of the hotel.
Hanapin natin yun. Nakita ko na yun. Yung
Interesting.
overnight nila dyan. Nag-overnight sila dyan eh.
If you did enjoy this video though, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want to do more reading on
Tapos
haunted
na
places
mga
I visited,
lods.
head to amyscrypt.com. You guys can also find me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at amyscrypt. Until next time.
Yan. Yan, part 2 yan mga lods. Yan, sige.